Hey guys, it's Benevolent Tech here. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to make your own ringtones for the iPhone. First off, you're going to need an application called Ringtones. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'll put a link in the description for to the application itself. The free version only allows you up to 30 seconds of a ringtone, but I'm sure that's as long as anyone will need. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just tap there and it'll take you to a song. Today we're going to do Senior Skip Day by Mac Miller. Go down to find it and then tap it and it'll come up. It's pretty basic. You slide to the point where you want in a song. We'll do the intro, scoot it over, put it to the end, in the middle, wherever you like it. You can also add a fade on it, which all that does is adds a little like fade in the beginning. Kind of hear it come in at the lower volume. To save it, once you've got what you want, all you really need to do is hit the little save icon there and it'll say creating your ringtone. Once that gets done, you need to head over to your computer. Welcome back, guys. Once you get over to your computer, you want to plug in your iPhone and iTunes will pop up once it picks it up. And now once iTunes is open, you have to wait for it to recognize your iPhone. Once it's done that, you need to go to your iPhone and select the Apps tab. Go down to Ringtones. And you want to get what we just made, Senior Skip Day. And just hit save to. You can save it to your desktop or wherever you want to save it at. That's where we're going to save ours. I already got it on there, so just replace it. Now we're going to scoot over here and just drag it and drop it. And it'll be under ringtones. And there you go. You have your 30-second clip of the ringtone you just made. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe. Have a nice day.